Hey, camera enthusiasts and adventure seekers. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the exciting world of imaging devices. Today, we've curated a list of the 8 best cameras that will elevate your photography game or capture every adrenaline-packed moment with precision. Whether you're a shutterbug or an action junkie, we've got something special for you. From cutting-edge photography gear to rugged action cameras, these devices are a testament to innovation and versatility. Stick around as we unveil the perfect visual companions that will inspire your creativity and document your thrilling experiences. Number 1. Sony Alpha 7 IV. The Sony Alpha 7 IV full-frame mirrorless interchangeable lens camera with a versatile 28 to 70mm zoom lens kit. Boasting a remarkable 33 megapixels full-frame XMOR sensor, this camera delivers astounding image quality, accentuated by the cutting-edge BIONZ XR image processing engine that's 8 times more powerful. Capture cinematic moments with up to 4K 60 FPS recording and enjoy the creative freedom of 7K oversampling full-frame 4K at 30 FPS. The 33 megapixels back-illuminated CMOS sensor, with copper wiring, ensures high transmission speeds, low noise, and a remarkable 15+ stop dynamic range. The BIONZ XR processor provides an unprecedented 8x processing speed, optimizing real-time processing of autofocus, image recognition, and quality adjustments. Elevate your color grading with the S-Cinetone color profile, offering beautiful and natural color expression. With 4K 60 FPS recording, the Alpha 7 IV is a cinematic powerhouse, providing full pixel readout without binning for incredibly detailed footage. Step into the future of photography and videography with the Sony Alpha 7 IV. Number 2. Fujifilm X-H2 Mirrorless Digital Camera. Immerse yourself in unrivaled detail with the Fujifilm X-H2 Mirrorless Digital Camera XF 16 to 80mm lens kit in sleek black. Boasting the world's first 40-megapixel APS-C sensor, the X-H2 seamlessly combines the portability of APS-C mirrorless cameras with a groundbreaking backside illuminated X-Trans CMOS 5 HR imaging sensor. Propelled by the lightning-fast X Processor 5, this camera offers 8K 30p video, enhanced autofocus, and blackout-free bursts at 15 FPS. The X-H2 maximizes efficiency, delivering a 10% boost in battery performance. Unlock the true potential with native 8K video resolution. The F-Log2 color profile extends dynamic range to 13+ stops, enhancing post-production flexibility. Explore new dimensions with pixel shift multi-shot, producing 160-megapixel images with unparalleled color fidelity. The improved in-body image stabilization, IBIS, offers 7 stops of compensation, delivering shake-free results for both video and stills. With advanced connectivity options, including wireless image transfer, webcam capabilities up to 4K 60p, and the option for the VFT-XH wireless file transmitter battery grip, the X-H2 is a versatile powerhouse for both professionals and enthusiasts alike. Number 3. Canon EOS R6 Mark II. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II is a powerhouse camera for stunning imaging and high-speed performance. Packed with cutting-edge features, this camera redefines the standards of image quality and creative possibilities. With a new 24.2-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor and DJI X image processor, the EOS R6 Mark II ensures you capture rich, detailed photos in any lighting conditions. The high-speed shooting capabilities are unparalleled, allowing you to shoot up to 12 FPS with the mechanical shutter and an incredible 40 FPS with the electronic silent shutter. Never miss a moment with RAW burst mode and pre-shooting features. Experience fast and accurate autofocus with dual-pixel CMOS AF2, covering 100% by 100% area and 1053 AF zones. This feature allows you to focus on composition and creativity without worrying about missing the shot. The camera's intelligent subject detection powered by deep learning technology automatically recognizes people, animals, and vehicles, and introduces new subjects like aircraft, trains, and horses. In summary, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II is more than just a camera. It's a creative tool designed for enthusiasts and professionals alike, empowering you to push boundaries and capture the world in exceptional detail. Number 4. Canon EOS R10 RF. The Canon EOS R10 is a compact and lightweight mirrorless vlogging camera designed to meet the needs of content creators. Equipped with advanced features, this camera is a powerhouse that elevates your photography and videography experience. Enhance your performance with sharp photos and ultra-high-definition videos, thanks to the advanced DJI X image processor. Capture fast-moving subjects with mechanical shutter speeds of up to 15 fps, ensuring you won't miss a second of the action. Benefit from smart and speedy autofocus with subject detection technology that keeps your subject in crystal clear focus, allowing you to focus on your creative vision. Operate with ease using the Canon battery pack, and the USB power adapter PDE makes charging convenient while the battery is inside the camera. Plan your shots effectively with the anti-smudge coated LCD screen, providing clear visibility of your images. Designed for easy handling, the EOS R10 boasts a comfortable grip, making it your ideal companion on all your adventures. Its compact size fits conveniently into your camera bag. The EOS R10 camera body comes complete with a strap, battery charger, battery pack cover, 45mm lens, and shoe cover. In summary, the Canon EOS R10 RF is your go-to solution for versatile, high-quality content creation in a compact and user-friendly package. Elevate your vlogging experience with this exceptional mirrorless camera. Number 5. Nikon Z6 II Hybrid Camera. The Nikon Z6 II is a versatile full-frame mirrorless camera that takes stills and videos to a whole new level. Boasting a 24.5 megapixels BSI resolution, this camera excels in low-light conditions, offering remarkable image quality. Experience full-frame excellence with full pixel readout in 4K UHD video, providing superior video quality. Enjoy 4K UHD 60p with speed and precision in subject acquisition, backed by 3.5 times more buffer capacity than the original Z6. Benefit from faster continuous shooting, improved AF performance, and enhanced functionality for a seamless shooting experience. Equipped with dual card slots, the Z6 II offers flexibility and peace of mind for crucial moments. Its comfortable, durable, and intuitive design ensures maximum ease of operation. For those seeking more power and convenient vertical shooting, the Z6 II is vertical grip ready, compatible with a new vertical battery grip. USB-C constant power and charging capabilities ensure you never run low on power during live streams, video shoots, and time-lapses. One mount accepts them all. The Nikon Z6 II is compatible with a growing line of Nikon Z lenses and approximately 360 f-mount Nikon lenses with the FTZ mount adapter. In summary, the Nikon Z6 II is a powerhouse that combines versatility, speed, and exceptional video capabilities in a comfortable and durable design. Elevate your photography and videography with this full-frame mirrorless camera. Number 6. GoPro Hero 11 Black Waterproof Action Camera. The GoPro Hero 11 Black is a groundbreaking waterproof action camera redefining the standard for adventure enthusiasts. With its revolutionary new image sensor, HERO11 provides the most expansive field of view ever on a Hero camera, capturing more of the sky and horizon in every shot. Zoom in, crop, change digital lenses, and adjust aspect ratios while maintaining rich textures and sharpness in your footage. Experience unbelievable image quality with 5.3K video, offering 91% more resolution than 4K and an incredible 665% more than 1080 pixels resolution. The water-repelling lens cover eliminates lens flare and artifacts, enhancing the stunning quality of your photos and videos. Hero 11 Black boasts a new image sensor that elevates photo resolution to an impressive 27 megapixels while delivering videos with fluid motion for stunning 24.7 megapixel stills. Capture details like never before. What's included in the Hero 11 Black package? The camera itself, an Enduro battery, carrying case, curved adhesive mount, mounting buckle plus thumb screw, and a USB-C cable. Elevate your adventure capture with the Hero 11 Black, where innovation meets exceptional image and video quality. Number 7. DJI Action 2 Dual Screen Combo. The DJI Action 2 Dual Screen Combo is a versatile 4K action camera that seamlessly integrates into your adventures with its innovative magnetic design. Effortlessly switch out accessories to enhance your filming experience, exploring creative angles with ease. Compact and travel-friendly, the ultra-compact DJI Action 2 fits easily into your bag. Utilize the magnetic lanyard and magnetic headband to wear the lightweight camera on your head or chest, ensuring you capture every moment on the go. Record stunningly smooth 4K 120 fps video with Action 2's ultra-wide 155 degrees FOV, capturing richer details and more of your surroundings as you explore. The DJI Mimo app, with its AI editor, helps create share-worthy content by automatically selecting and combining epic moments with flawless transitions and upbeat music. Designed for aquatic adventures, the DJI Action 2 is robust and waterproof right out of the box, allowing you to capture moments at depths of up to 10 meters. Pair it with a waterproof case for underwater exploration at depths of up to 60 meters. Free up your hands, record a first-person perspective, and share live from your unique point of view. Note that when recording 4K 120 fps, the auto-stop rec temp setting affects recording time, with options for standard or high. Using the DJI Action 2 magnetic protective case optimizes video recording by reducing surface temperature, extending recording time under normal conditions. Capture life on the go with the DJI Action 2, where versatility meets innovation for immersive and shareable adventures. Number 8. Ordro EP8 4K Head-Mounted Video Camera. The Ordro EP8 4K head-mounted video camera is your hands-free wearable companion for capturing life's adventures in stunning detail. Featuring a new 1/2.8-inch Sony Starvis CMOS sensor, the EP8 delivers brilliant 4K video and impressive 20 megapixels photos with outstanding visibility, even in low-light environments. The 4K 60 fps resolution ensures top-notch image quality for your recordings. Equipped with a 2-axis gimbal stabilizer, the EP8 ensures steady and smooth videos, providing an immersive and professional touch to your footage. Enjoy fast charging with Type-C support, allowing a full charge in just 30 minutes, ensuring you never miss a moment. Capture expansive scenes with a 130 degrees wide-angle view of the spherical glass lens, adjustable from 130 degrees to 90 degrees, and utilize the distortion calibration function to correct image distortion for enhanced picture quality. Experience the freedom of hands-free recording with the Ordro EP8, where cutting-edge technology meets convenience for immersive storytelling. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the 8 best cameras for both photography and action-packed adventures. Whether you're freezing a moment in time or diving into the heart of the action, these cameras have you covered. Remember, it's not just about cameras. It's about immortalizing memories and unlocking your creative potential. Which one will you choose to capture your world? Thanks for joining us on this visual journey, and until next time, keep capturing the magic.